Why are you not logged in? There we go. Now we got it. Now we cooking. Yeah, it's just running kind of sideways right now, ain't it? It is not not awesome. Uh, boom, 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 boom. What in the world? I don't know why you haven't watched the auction theory video yet. Auction theory video I put on the WAP. I understand. It's just literally where they levels are where institutions enter the market. Well, just saying. See, we need some smooth push like this. Look, this happened at 11 last night. Boom. Why my screen going? It's 11 push right here. Freaking slick. 11 o'clock last night. Look at this. Look at this right here. This was from 10 p.m. Look at this crash. Huh? I started the live stream and the or I shared my screen. Look at this. What in the frick? This is 9:30. Oh, this was Monday night. Yeah, that insane shove up and shove down Monday night was wild. I don't understand what happened, but I haven't really looked for it. I didn't even go looking for it, but here it is right here. I didn't go look for why. Boo, boo, boo. Oh, really? $9.25. Here we go. Here we go now. Boom. Oh, is that what it was? I thought, oh yeah, because didn't Trump like ban the ships being sold there or something on those lines? Gotcha. Right. Right. Just reverse engineer what it is and sell it themselves. Oh yeah, I didn't know that. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's crazy. I don't know why I have such problems. Yeah. I don't hear you on the stream. I gotta fix this. Hold on. It's not you, it's me. It's the mixer. Not fucking putting Discord into the stream. There, now it should
Classic
be.
right there.
Now I'm testing it. Make sure it's going in the stream.
Where are we going? We dumping below. It's going below the trend line.
Yeah, we're running sideways right now. I'm gonna wait for a little bit. Okay, now I can hear you on the stream. Oh,
Test, test. Hello.
hey, we're good.
That's what I'm not setting up because I'm not streaming. So when I look at the software, the Wavelink, I'm like, I don't, there's too many options here. Like I don't need my voice coming through the speaker that I have running my tunes and the
Yeah, you can. That's what the
Great.
thing does for you, is let you isolate everything, and then you can have it. What you go through the stream, and then what goes through your headphones. You can control each sound function.
Yeah.
Like that. So like if I'm listening to music, I can, if I don't want to hear the music but I want the stream to, I can turn off my headphones and just have it go through the stream.
Right.
Which is cool.
Yeah, it's amazing actually.
Yeah, pretty cool. But yeah, we are getting chopped out already. It's almost 9:30, 9:29. We have 1 minute before the open. We're gonna do some 20 tick scalps and wait for the initial bounce to be created, and then look for a fade trade, because that's what it likes to do. The market likes to fade. You know, when everybody's buying the top, we're selling.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got
feel
my
like fading. It's just mean reversion.
Well, it is, but it's a little, it's more complicated.
It is more complicated than that. I try and simplify things for my brain.
I understand, me too, but it is. I mean, everything's a mean reversion. It's always bouncing back to some point that is, what is it? What's the word? Fair value. Like, look at VWAP right now. We're like way over fair value. Oh my goodness, look at that. We're on the top of it. So it's going to want to come back and get to this probably, you know? For now, I am just going to scalp. Gonna go for some scalps. And if I win, hell yeah. If I don't, whatever. It is what it is. But yeah, we're like getting into like multiple bands of view up right now. There's an end cap it's been touching me, getting into, and then we get our instant rejection. See, that is crazy. Look at this. Boom, boom. I wonder which direction they really want to go. Back into view up. Yep. Back into it. 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 Where is my browser? Give me my browser. Holy crap, holy. I wonder if this is just a
balance.
Just a sweep, maybe. I'm thinking. Does not meet conditions to do anything, though. Right now, we're looking. We're just waiting. Just wait. Boom.
Yeah, it is swinging the go.
And we got stopped. And that met conditions for the sell, but it whipped.
Yeah.
So we don't know about that. I was just a little slow on it. I didn't expect it to come. Look at that, though. It dropped 69 ticks. We should have won that. I was just a little slow on the entry there. Sorry. Another pullback. And there was the win. Gotta make sure that everybody trade copied right like that. I think we're good. Yeah, I think everybody's good. You see that right there, man? You see that?
What?
That trade I just took. I just literally did it in front of you.
Right. Well, I'm not seeing. I'm seeing. I'm not seeing any entry in.
Oh, why isn't that? Oh, because I'm on MNQ. No, I'm on NQ. What account am I using? I'm using this is the right one. 49. Yeah. Why ain't it showing on my screen, bro? What happened here? What happened here? What happened? What is going on? Oh, I need to start a live stream anyways. I'm going to do that and I'll figure out why that didn't show on the main screen. It's only showing on Ninja Trader. It's not showing on here. What the fudge? That was the criteria. The course shows you how to get into that entry right there. Boom. All right, I'm going to go to live trading on Discord. Scalping NQ. This does not meet conditions for anything. Boo, 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 boo. Boo, da, 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 boo, boo. We're using the first light beacon and trend shift to get into that scalp that you just saw happen. Can't see it on the dot right here. This first one we lost, it whipped on us, but this one came back and won. We are 1-1 right now. The goal is to get to $500 and then swap accounts. Yep. That is the goal. And they just whipped. Whip. Hello? Dun 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 dun. And we're in another one. Break even. Break. Oh, I can't tell if that was take profit or break even that just got smacked. Oh, it was target. Target was hit. Ha, ha, ha. Yeah, boy. What up with that? What up with that? What up with that? What up with that? Boom, 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 boom. We all in the green. Green. We all in the green. Green. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I love it when I get in the green. The course to do this is in our WAP. This indicators are now offered with a 30-day trial. If you purchase your prop firm from Tradeify with our link, you can try our indicator for 30 days for free. We have never done that before. Ever had a freaking 30-day trial. No, sir. But to get people to try it and start trading futures instead of whatever crap they're trading, we're offering 30 days free if you purchase your prop firm with our link. Go to our website, firstlightbeacon.com. You'll see a button at the top that says free trial offer. Click it, and you have all the information you need to get in trading futures with a really good prop firm. Yeah. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I thought for sure our break even got hit, but no, that was full take profit. I'm using an automated trading strategy, not automated traded, but bracket order that allows me to, when I click the button, it puts in my stop loss, my take profit, and it break evens the trade all automatically for me using NinjaTrader. It's very easy to do, not hard at all. Just set it up, and then when you click the button, it does it. Very cool. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, it is showing on the screen here. It's just not, it's just happening so fast that it doesn't stay. That's why you couldn't. How do we click? I forget how to. Symbol, status line, no. Trading, executions. There we go. There's the executions right there. Now you can see that they were actually taking place. Oh, here's going to be another one, maybe. 2 seconds. Click. That was a win right there, I think. Can't tell so fast. Can't tell. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. Maybe that was a no, it was. No, break even got smacked. No big deal. No big deal. Break evens get hit. Happens. No big deal. Are the bots taking trades? Not yet. There hasn't been a condition for the bots to trade yet. Do have automated trading algos. They are fun. But this one would have won if I didn't have a break even set. See what I'm saying? But you gotta have a break even when you're doing stuff like this. This whips too fast. I'm up to 157.40 on this. If I get to like 300 on this one account, I will swap it. That's our daily goal, pretty much. Here's our gold. This one that's traded last night, it won the day before. This is all automated. There's one right here, this one here, this one here, this one here, this one. That one lost. No, that one. This one won. This one won. Yep. We're on like a huge win streak on the bot. And it is doing really good. Really good. This is the First Light Beacon. It's the daily FLB algos automated. Basically doing this, but automated. There's Ladots. What's up, Ladots? Hey, it's showing on the screen. It's just happening so fast that it just shows up and deletes itself.
Is that right?
Yeah, so I got my NinjaTrader up here too, showing the executions. And I got the executions on trading view now, right here turned on. So you can see that I got into those trades and they were real. And I just got into a third one and it hit break even. And then it won. What sucks. But hey, it is what it is. So I put an auto break even on it. 5 ticks, 5 plus 5. What it is. And yeah. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing it for the doing it. And the trade copying is working pretty good. I don't have anybody in bad bills. Some of them. Let's check Beth. Yeah, everybody's green. No mess ups. Let's see. Let's check tempo. Make sure. Okay. Yep, he's up. All right. Yeah, everybody's up. Good. Woohoo. That's good, man. Real good. Real good. Let's go back to what's going on now. This would have been an entry. This would have been a loss had I been paying attention. But I'm starting to find that a lot of times, if it's a real skinny doji, it might be a little iffy. This one wasn't. This one wasn't. But I don't know. I might be just talking out of my rear end. But this is working really good. And then you also have the first flat indicator that we have, right? Turn that on too, and that shows you the first flat candle after a pullback. It gives you this little triangle here, and here is a warning one when it's a dot. So you could use this to get into the entry, but you wouldn't get in until like right here, pulls back 20 ticks, then it drops. Boom, 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 boom. Come on. Come on, bitch. Drop. It should have went break even. Didn't. I'm going break even. Oh. Boom, boom. Smack the TP right there. Oh, yes, sir. See how that works, my friend? See that execution? No hesitation. Paying attention. Up 250 with commissions. Gross is 300. Having a blast with this. Oh, why am I put? Get this off here. Get off here. Hello?
Hello.
Did you see it?
I saw it, man.
You see why you don't try to hold it? Look what's happening right now.
I know.
I swear I'm gonna get you, man. I'm gonna get you in there right. Look at that, dude. Look at all these these scalps. Look at all these scalps. Oh my god. $100 every time. Blink, blink,
give me the money,
blink,
man.
blink.
Give me the money.
Blink. See first fly. This dot right there is a warning telling you that this candle, and then it wicked out, so it turned away. See? It was saying, hey, this might be something. Hey man, you need to pay attention. Look at these right here. Hold on, I gotta turn off
Knock
this.
on your door. Hello.
There we go. What are these? No, I don't want this crap. Turn that off. Look at these. Look at the first flight indicator. Watch, guys. This is an indicator doing this. Click. He turned it off. There's it on. Look at how freaking amazing it is. Look at it. Just look at it, would y'all? Look at that. Right? That's the first flat. We've also automated that too. That is automated. Boom, boom, boom. Lots of stuff going on here, man. Lots of stuff. I don't know, bro. I mean, what am I at? What is this on? That was my trade copier. Let's see here. We're at 251. We're almost at the daily goal for that
Nice.
account. So I don't know. Should I even risk another trade, or should I just like be done with it?
That's a good question. I think only you, my friend,
Look
can
at
answer
this.
that.
Look at this running sideways shit. I think I might just be
Yeah.
done doing the scalps and run with the 250 on that account, and then look for my fade, which I think, see how this says fade? This is also an indicator. It's called the Orbex right here. Boom, 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 boom. And it will give you a heads up on if you should fade the orb or not. And I trade the hour orb or the 30 minutes for this. And it is telling me to fade. So we will wait for the hour to end 10:30 to see where price leaves and returns and get into the reversal. That is the plan for that trade right there. That is included with the first light beacon suite. Yep. That was trend shift. That's this one right here that you guys are looking at. This is trend shift. Okay. Shows you the trend. You can select the higher time frame. You can select whatever time frame you want. So if you want like 15-minute trends, click 15-minute, and it will show you when it breaks the 15-minute trend and then pushes up. And you could take this trade and just trail this line here if you really want to, and it will be a really good win for you. Be a really good win for you. That's a really good win. That's 60 something points. But yeah, that's trend shift. That's included with it. I'm using the 5-minute right now since I'm scalping. I just want to see what's going on with the 5-minute train. Oh God, I missed an entry. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful entry. Oh my God. Ooh, broke under and everything. It's just keeps on giving. Keeps on giving. Scalping. Dum-dum-dum. Dum-dum-dum-dum. 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 Dum-dum-dum. Dum, dum-dum-dum-dum. Dum, dum-dum-dum-dum. Dum. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Put it on, dum. I don't know why it keeps putting me in gaming on TikTok, but I'm not gaming. Not gaming. Look at this crash, bro. Oh. Just hit an end cap at the bottom of the VWAP. Just hit an end cap at the bottom of the VWAP. Dun 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 dun. Hit a end cap at the bottom of the VWAP. Dun dun. I think I'm losing my mind, man. What do you think? What's
I think you're having a
XRP doing?
good day.
What's XRP doing, man? We're at a buy right now. XRP. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. This is part of the FLB. Ooh, these buys. Yep. There is. I mean, like, I posted, yeah. Um,
You were saying?
I was
Did you, get
sending out.
distracted by an opportunity?
No, was sending out a message.
Ah,
Yeah. And I forgot to record these, but I think when the restream is recording for me, so I can get them. I'm gonna make a little video on these scalps and send it to everybody. Should have the video. Why I kind of doubled this up so I could get the indicators and the ninja trigger shown on the same screen, so I could be like, all right, this is how you do it. Live examples, you know what I mean? This is a good one right here too, but I think I'm done, man. I'm happy with 250 on these accounts. Yeah, look at, see? Oh, but it didn't give you the wick, so wouldn't have been valid, you know? But it is a good scalp. It already won. Yeah, 20, 30, 40, 50 right there. And it's still going. I think we're gonna have a pretty decent fade trade later. So I'm gonna come back in 30 minutes when this is the first hour is completed, so that I can see what the structure is and look for the fade trade. Mr. Lots, I'm gonna go work out.
sounds like a plan, man. Get healthy.
Be back at 10:30.
All right, see you.
All right, everybody. I will be back at 10:30 to look for a fade trade. If you would like to grab a hand or grab these indicators that we're using and the course on how I just did what I just did, go to firstlightbeacon.com and grab your 30-day trial for the indicators, and yeah, and then there's courses and all that stuff in there too that you can grab, and you can figure out how I just scalped the hell out of this coming down. Yep. All right, I gotta wait for 10:30 to do my next move. Scalping is over for me for the day. I've already made what I wanted to make on each account. I do trade copy a bunch of accounts, and my next group of accounts